Taurus rising. So, yung comment, Cancer Sun siya, tapos Taurus rising siya. So, para sa mga Taurus rising, itong Jupiter transit entering the sign of Cancer is entering your third house. Third house is about communications. This is about mga networking. So, maaring mas marami kang magiging friends. You will socialize more. You will meet new connections. This is the best time as well na yung lumabas, makipagkaibigan, to be part of a group, or to improve also yung iyong communication skills. Maari ring meron kang mga opportunities para makapag-aral, makapunta sa iba't ibang lugar. So, ang third house rin kasi is about short distance travel. So, itong transit na to from June 2025 to June 2026. So, actually, to be exact, that's going to happen on June 10, 2025 hanggang June 29, 2026. So, itong transit na to will bring you a lot of opportunities pagdating sa travel, learning, no? And also, maaring may mga bonding moments kayo ng inyong mga kapatid, kung meron na kayong mga kapatid. At maari ring meron kayong bagong magiging kapatid sa transit na to, no? Sa buong taon na yan. Maaring magkaroon kayo ng sasakyan kasi third house is also about automobiles, no? So, since Jupiter is transiting your third house, maaring i-bless kayo ng sasakyan or travels or any automobile na pwedeng magdala ng happiness, ng joy sa inyo. Ang maganda kasi dito sa transit ng Jupiter in Cancer is very harmonious sila, no? Hindi sila kontrapelo sa isa't isa. Unlike nung nakaraang transit, which is Jupiter in Gemini, it's hindi sila magkasundo. So, ang energy kasi ng Cancer is about nurturing, caring, supporting, building a strong foundation na sinusuportahan yung energy ni Jupiter, which is about expansion, um, enlightenment, learning. So, nagkakasundo sila. Kaya maganda tong transit na to. It will really bring in abundance, prosperity, expansion, upgrade sa ating lahat. And for you Taurus risings, yun yung mga blessings na darating for you. More travel, short travels to, pwedeng local travels, new friends, new connections, maaring mas magiging active ka rin sa social media, especially if yung social media ay isa sa mga mga businesses mo or sources of income mo. So pwede kang kumita ng pera sa pagiging content creator or online business. So ganoon kasi it's all about community, going out, socialization. Doon pupunta yung blessings mo or doon mo makukuha yung blessings mo. Of course, andyan yung door of opportunity para sa inyo. It's up to you kung papasok kayo dun sa door of opportunity or if you're gonna knock on the door at ito yung magbubukas naman para sa inyo. So, ito yung moment, ito yung transit na mas maging open tayo for collaboration, um, connection, dahil may mga blessings na darating sa'yo dahil sa mga connections mo na yan at pagiging visible rin sa mas maraming tao. Okay? So, kung hindi ko pa na-discuss yung ibang signs ninyo, zodiac signs ninyo, at gusto nyo malaman kung anong area of your life ang ibibless ni Jupiter, comment your zodiac signs, especially yung inyong rising sign. Okay? And follow for more.